Hi everybody, my name's Elijah Riley and I'm with Platte Basin Time Lapse, and today I'm going to teach you how to cast a fly fishing reel. So first let's go through the basics. So first right here, this is going to be our reel. Then it connects to our rod right here, which is typically a pretty long rod. Then right here we have our floating line, and the reason why it gets that name is because it floats on top of the water to show you where your line is and where your lure is. And then if you notice, there's this clear line all right here, and this is called your leader. This is to deceive the fish so they don't realize that there's a big line in front of them that's holding a lure. And then we'll come down here. This little pink ball right there, that's our bobber, also called a strike indicator. So that will tell you if you're getting hit or if there's any fish that are playing with your bait. And then this right here is our lure. And this is also called a nymph. And this one matches some of the bugs and the little creatures that I saw out here at this lake. So I used this to match the hatch. So first, let's just throw it out there a little ways. And what we're gonna do is you're just gonna go back and forth and do the same motion over and over. And in this hand, you have the extra line that will let out, which will allow you to cast further. So let's go ahead and just get into it. Come back to 10 o'clock and go forward to 2. And you'll just repeat that motion over and over. And if you notice, with my left hand, I'm starting to let out some line as we go forward. And then whenever you think you're ready and it has enough length to it, you just give it a cast and let it go right on out there. And then it's always smart to let it sit for a little bit and really let that lure fall in the water column. And then you just want to slowly do strips, and that's just bringing that lure closer to you. And then let's just show you guys the motion again one more time. So we're going to bring it up out of the water, back to 10 and forward to 2. And just continue to do that motion. And don't forget to let that line out of your left hand. And there you go.